GTP, high quality parts at the best price.
Hi there, I am Andrea from Global Tractor Parts, and today I'll be showing you this bearing. Let's learn more about bearings. They have two key functions. The first one is to transfer motion. This means that they support and guide components which turn relative to one another. Also, they transmit forces. This part fits several New Holland models such as 10 series and also Valtra tractors. Remember, you can find this part and much more at globaltractorparts.com. Thanks for watching!